Alright, here we are playing Dead Revolver as Anne something. I don't know. She just has an awesome gun, that's all I know. It does like major damage. And a couple guys in the farm. God damn it. This is when it gets hard. Because they got in and now they're gonna be running around like idiots. Come on. They can't have gotten far. Somebody shoot, wherever you are. Come on, you idiots. Come on, there we go. Oh god, these guys. You cannot win unless you're like on freaking bull 2, which pisses me off. He's literally pulling you over. Come here. Come here, I'm gonna R2 you in the face. Not that you need to, just R2. Oh, ouch. Asshole. That works so well. Don't run me over, please. Don't run me over, please. Oh my god, what hit me? Oh, you? You? Dick. You hit a girl. That's like a kind of hot one at that. Oh my god, if I die now, after all of this, god, that pissed me off. No, you are not gonna laugh at me. Owned. Where are you, Buff? Buff, 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 buff. There you are. Yes. You got owned in the kneecap. Owned in the kneecap. And guess who comes up? Red.
Do I know you, stranger?
Do I know you, stranger?
Yes, you do. Remember last night? You were drunk in a saloon?
You might want to take a trip on down to the saloon in Brimstone. It's always littered with a bunch of drunks yapping about it.
Oh, yeah.
Watch yourself, mister. You want no business with the folks in that town.
Mm-hmm.
This place is all I've ever known.
That's all you ever known.
5,000 pieces in gold.
Mm-hmm.
This will help me keep my ranch.
The one bit of goodwill he ever had was a voucher for $5,000 in gold. He's a nice guy. I did horrible in this one. I did horrible. I died 3 times. But I got an excellent. Owned. Alright. I guess that's it for tonight. In this episode of Dead Revolver. If you didn't get that by saying the title, which you probably can't see. Yeah. This is a short video. So, I can't do challenges yet. That sucks. So, I love chocolate oranges. So amazing. Showdown. So look at this. All the Showdown characters. Oh shoot.
You're good, but ain't nowhere to hide now. Orale. You'd make me one fine deputy.
Illegal teams. Let's make Bad Bessie white. Let's make Bad Bessie red.
Much obliged.
And let's just not do this. Okay. Because I really don't want to. I can get out of the picture quality is horrible. Yeah. Snake? I didn't know you could snake. That's awesome. That is awesome. I have to say. Action R2? Fire, I knew that. Okay. Well, I think I'm just gonna quit this. Cause I'm bored with it. Already, I haven't even started yet. Oh my god, the Widowmaker? Hell yeah. Screw quitting. Oh wow. Health is really low. Hey, player 4, come here. Oh my god. Okay. Gonna do a quick match. Shouldn't take that long. Wow, they just stick wherever you throw them. That's weird. It's odd. Wow, I got on him. That was awesome. Oh, he got me. He got me. R1. Let's go. Fire as fast as you can. That's not cool, dude. Slap it like a woman. Okay, wow. My gun owns. I wonder what the bonus was. It's a bonus. 2 pair. Awesomeness. Holy crap, triple damage. Oh my god. I think I have the amount of points I needed. Okay. Triple damage again? Oh my god. Some health? Oh. Come on. More people, please. Please, more people. Hey. Be nice. Burning twin revolvers. Hell yeah. This is badassness. This is badassness. And triple damage. It cannot be beat. I'm not gonna be beat. And the Widowmakers. And the Widowmakers. I don't think it's ever possible for me to be beat right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I am screwed. Ow. I got more health. How'd I do that? I just got some more epicness going on here. Okay. Hopefully I can finish this before I have to end it. Come on, load faster. Let's go to, yeah, Lion Shotgun. Oh, they got me. Finally. Finally. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Burning pistol. Owned. Okay. Triple damage. Let's roll. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't want a knockdown pistol. Hey, asshole. Oh my god, 30 seconds till I have to tell her lose. Okay. Yeah. I won't probably continue this. It's kind of boring. Anyway, it was just a filler. I will see you guys later. Yeah, promote me on your channels, sites, whatever you can find to promote me on. Spread me around, get me more subscribers. Yeah. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.